phenomenon of secularism and its understanding. Part 4. The history and origins of secularism. Secularism, as a movement against religion, divinity, religious teachings, and belief in the afterlife, is not a new or modern phenomenon. Rather, it has existed throughout history since the very beginning of humanity, emerging under various interpretations and claims. For example, the Holy Quran refers to materialists and those who deny the metaphysical world with the following verse. Translation: they say, there is nothing but our worldly life, we die and live, and nothing destroys us except time. This verse unveils the history and beliefs of secular individuals who reject all the foundations of Islam. However, secularism, under this specific name and in its well-known form, first emerged during the Middle Ages and the European Renaissance and scientific awakening. After centuries of being under the dominance and harsh control of the Church, Europeans rose up against it and sought to liberate themselves from its superstitions and false beliefs.